So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to send money on Wise. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically here in Wise, if you're looking for a savvy solution for cost-effective international money transfers with transparent fees, Wise has got you. Since it has genuine exchange rates, you can sign up now, and you can do that by clicking in the link in the description below and enjoy a fee-free transfer up to $900. So there you go guys, and let's get right into this. So here we're gonna teach you how to send money here on your Wise. So here you have your home, card, recipients, and payments. So here we're just gonna press send. So here you can send internationally or with the same currency. So you can choose from US dollars, euros, and other things like that. So here you want to send 1000 AED, for example. Here to convert it to your local currency, and it depends on how much too. So from there, it should arrive in 95 minutes, and other info will also show. So let's say if you want to do it your same currency, and here. So here you also have your fast transfer fees, your low transfer fee, and your easy transfer. So it depends on you on what type of transfer type you want. So you just have to pay the extra fee. So here you will have to send 1000 euros, but me, I'll be sending 1005 euros, and this should arrive in 8 hours. And as you can see right here, that's the fastest type of transfer, and this is the easy transfer. So I think I'll go with easy transfers. It's only £1.60 right there. So I just press continue, and then from there you're just gonna know who you want to send it to. So here you want to add your recipient. Perhaps you want to do it to yourself or to someone else or business or organization. So right there, just place their email. So let's say it's outside Europe. So here the name of the business or organization, the SWIFT BIC code, the account number, and then just confirm it. And from there you'll just have a receipt, and then there you go. You have already sent it to your recipient, and it will be arriving in the expected time right there. So there you go guys, that is how you send money on your Wise account. And thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.